Inserting and deleting cells. We can insert or delete cells individually rather than inserting entire row or column. Inserting cells. Click on the cell where new cell is to be inserted. Choose the cell option from Insert menu. You will get 4 options. 1. Shift cells right. Adds a blank cell to the left of the selected cells. 2. Shifts cell down. Adds a blank cell above the selected cell. 3. Entire row. Adds a new row above the selected cell. 4. Entire column. Adds a new column to the left of the selected cell. Deleting the cell. Click on the cell which is to be deleted. Choose the cell option from Delete menu. Choose the appropriate option. 1. Shift cells left. The cells to the right of the deleted cell are moved left. 2. Shift cells up. The cells below the deleted cell are moved up. 3. Entire row. This option deletes the entire row and moves the row below upwards. 4. Entire column. This option deletes the entire column and moves the row to the right leftwards.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.